Dive deep into the marvels of ancient architecture and modern technology with Egypt's pyramids and the new ShineRanker AI tool. Marvel at the hefty blocks of the Great Pyramid of Giza, masterly stacked, reflecting the power of intelligent design. Just as Egypt's pyramids withstood time, the ShineRanker AI holds the promise of durable technological efficiency. See the precision in the pyramid structures mirroring the accurate video generation of ShineRanker AI. Embark upon the inner chambers of pyramids that unfold secrets much like the layered coding behind the AI tool. The pyramid's exquisite alignments with celestial bodies show ingenuity, like ShineRanker AI's superior features aligned with user needs. Climb the steps of the pyramid, an ascending testament of human achievement. Similarly, ShineRanker AI represents advancements in artificial intelligence. As we reflect on the connection between Egypt's pyramids and ShineRanker AI, we realize our journey has just begun in the realm of limitless possibilities.